Hey, are you planning for an internal external event or a customer conference? Are you struggling to fill your agenda with relevant speakers? So here's a short video to share with you how you can create a successful customer event or a sponsor event at the same time finding the speakers that you need. In B2B marketing, events tend to be a huge part of a marketing mix. We do a lot of customer events or sponsor industry conferences. Name several conferences that you attended, right? So if you have an event team to do all that work, great. If you don't, here are a couple things you need to pay attention to make sure that you can take care of your customer events successfully or manage your industry events. Number one, start early. I can't stress this enough. You have to start your planning at least 2 or 3 months in advance, right? You have to think through in terms of what you want to do pre-event, on-site, and also post-event. There are a lot of logistics that you have to think it through. Number two, define the clear objectives for your event. Obviously, we host any kind of customer events. That's because we want to make sure our customers are happy. They will buy more from us. In that situation, you need to think through in terms of what agenda setting will look like. You don't want that whole customer event to be salesy. You don't want to do that. That will turn customers off. So you need to think through in terms of what you can do for them. At the same time, also discreetly inject some of the product-specific information they may be interested. At the same time, the clear objectives also applies to industry events. So if you go to industry events to gather leads or demand generation, think about it, what you want to do before that to prep that you have target audience or target customers that come to your booth. Define clear objectives. The other one is consider audience demographics. Once you have objectives, understand who are the people are coming to your events. If you have a customer event that's likely to be invitation only, if it's an invitation-only event, you kind of know who they are. Tailor your agenda for them. C-suite agenda versus director level or specialist level tend to be a little bit different. So you have to think through in terms of what that agenda is. For the industry events, same thing. Understand who is coming. And like I said, C-suite versus director or the work bees, that your talking points needs to be a little bit different. So that's on the customer events and also attending the industry events. And sometimes you might need to find speakers for your agenda items. If you do that, you need to negotiate the terms, the fees, and also understand the speakers' styles. There are many different speakers out there that possibly can meet your expectations. So once you will have agenda that's already set, you need to think through, do you need a motivational speaker, expert speaker, or engaging speakers, or three of them? It's very hard to satisfy all three criteria with one speaker, okay? Like a lot of motivational speakers, they probably don't have the expertise you are looking for. There are some are very engaging, they can rally the whole team, they can get everybody engaged and work your workshop. They probably don't have the expertise you are looking for to educate your team in terms of a specific topic. So you have to think through in terms of a speaker selection. On the speaker side of things, you can obviously Google. That's probably the easiest way to do it. And there are so many sites. I don't have to tell you which sites are actually good. You should go check it out and be very clear about what you are looking for. eSpeakers.com and the allamericanspeakers.com are usually pretty popular sites, so you can start from there. So with that being said, the speaker part of it is very, very time consuming, especially you are looking for external speakers. So make sure you interview them and have a chance to talk to them, get the feel in terms of their style and also their fees, and then take the negotiation from there. So That's on the speaker side. The other things that you have to do for your events, if it's a customer events that you are promoting it, before the events, make sure that you get all the promotion information and outreach completed. And after the event, make sure you documented the event and also have videos and a photo to share with the management the success of the event, right? I have been on both sides of the events. I've been an event marketing manager, selecting the speaker, and now I am a speaker myself. So if you have any question in terms of how to do events, and reach out to me anytime, I will share my thoughts and also recommendation with you. And I'm also a speaker on my own. I can talk about technology, business, sales, and marketing. If you are looking for speakers as such, reach out to me as well. Love to help. Take care. Bye.